We're doing another paper craft today. We were looking for video ideas a few weeks back, and we saw a tutorial for a four-faceted diamond-shaped box. It wasn't exactly easy, but it turned out pretty cool. We hope you enjoy.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts.
Disclaimer, this craft is in the style of origami. However, it isn't proper origami. Real origami can hold its shape without glue. This paper craft requires glue to stay together. To make the diamond-shaped boxes, we used light cardstock, scissors or a cutting tool, a pencil, and glue. We started off by deciding what kind of paper to use. We chose light cardstock. You could also use printer paper to make the diamond, but we wanted ours to be able to hold things inside. So if you plan on making a box, it's best to use lightweight to medium-weight cardstock, as heavyweight is difficult to fold. First, we cut the cardstock in half, as we wanted a small-sized box. Then we cut the cardstock into a square. As you can see, we cut the square to about the size of our palm. That makes the box about this big. To make the cardstock into a square, we had to fold the paper over one way, so the next step is to fold it the other way. When you open up the paper again, there should be two creases that make an X shape. Our first folds were diagonal. Next, we folded the paper lengthwise and breadthwise in half. Then we reinforced the creases. We turned the paper diagonally, then folded over one side of the cardstock like so. The fold should line up with the center crease. Do the same for the other side. Once that's done, your cardstock should be folded to look like a kite. Then we turned the paper over and did this to all the other sides. Again, we're reinforcing the creases. We then folded the paper in half. There should be a crease at the end of each side. We folded those in like so. We folded the paper in half the other way and repeated this step. Again, we're reinforcing the inside creases, as those are the folds that make the actual diamond shape. Now, thanks to all those folds, just press down on the bottom folds and it will automatically become a diamond shape. Now, since this won't stay in place without some glue, we're adhering the folds together. We did this for 3 of the 4 sides. The last side we left open for 2 reasons. 1, because the box was able to hold its shape with 3 sides glued. 2, so we could put things inside. And here are the finished 4-faceted diamond-shaped boxes. And since these are boxes, you can put things inside. So not only is it a diamond, but it has a hidden gift inside it too.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!
Behold!
You said you hold it, it wasn't in the camera.